Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the report covers for A4 size paper. This is going to be a 5-pack, so you can get 5 of these. And again, these are going to be reusable and for business use. So great for your resumes. Walking into an interview, and you need to hand your resume. You can have it in here to make sure that resume is protected. Your paper is going to slide in here and kind of lock in place too as well. You do have a little cutout right here, so you can open it a whole lot easier versus trying to fumble with trying to find the edge to open it. So I do like how there's a thumb cutout and we can open it fairly quickly. Really durable, nice quality here. And again, for your resumes. So if you had a piece of paper, I'll use pink so you can see it, that your resume could be on here, locks into place, not going to come out because it slides in and kind of gets stuck, especially if you're running in and it's kind of drizzling, your resume is not going to get ruined. You can then go ahead, open it, pull it out, hand your resume. Good luck on the interview. Shout out to this company for gifting me these so I could do this review.